Hello everyone, so quick overview of Walgreens app. Walgreens app is one of the top apps in the United States for prescriptions. It has over 3 million reviews and 4.8 out of 5 average rating, so it's like pretty okay app. Of course, there are a lot of still issues. So what you can do here, there is a subscription, join my Walgreens, track, redeem, and donate rewards. You can get all the like coupons, discounts. But basically, the main feature of the app is that you can shop and manage your prescriptions, stay in the know, get the latest vaccine information, refill a snap, quickly refill your prescriptions with an in-app scan. So just scan it and then instantly order, track prescriptions, order and get reminders, get some expert advice, save time, pick up all your essentials in as little as 30 minutes, pay with wallet, go to contactless at checkout and get digital receipts, save money, click personalized exclusive deals just for you, get creative. So you can do that. Let's just open the app. Here is how the home screen looks like. There is just all the recommendations of products, coupons, and services. You can check pickup, shipping, refill by scan. So for example, if you want to refill the prescription, you can just do it here. Then you can just log into this community. So to find the store, just tap on the top left. Then you can just search for city, and then you just search there, and then you will just find your stores here. You will see all the options where it is available, shopping, pharmacy, photo lab. You can see all services. You can choose this store, choose for current task, your store, and then you can just search for some product like that, for example. So here it is. So you can get like some of these. And then check address and then just order that and deliver, add to cart. So that's basically how any other e-commerce app, that's how it works. Then there are prescriptions. That's the feature of this app. So you can refill by scan, as I already shown. You can transfer prescriptions, position the bottle on screen. So you can transfer prescriptions here, manage all your auto refill. Then there is bill reminder, prescription history. You can talk to an expert, like your vaccination information. So all of that, you can just check it out. Then you can find all the health services in specific city. You can look for all of that. Then you can look for shop and savings. Then there is like all this personal care. For example, if I tap in there, you can just search for all the types of products here, and then where they're available, how to order them, and then just proceed to buy them. And then there is photo. Also this app offers a lot of photo cards, collage prints, photo books, which seems quite popular. So you can also order that. And there is 30% off for mobile app photo orders. So that's basically that. Hope this quick overview is helpful. So it's just an overview of the app. Definitely give it a try if you're in US. I'm not sure if this app works outside of US, in other countries, or in Europe, in Canada. But there you have it, and hope it is helpful.